Hello, everyone. I sincerely thank all of you for visiting the seminar. I'm James Kim, working as Tech Marketing Team Leader at Nextchip, and I'm with Peter, CEO of VADAS, a software developer. Hello, Peter. Would you introduce yourself?
Hello, James, and hello, everyone. Thank you for having me. My name is Peter Lee, CEO of VADAS, and I hope all of you to enjoy this time.
Thank you. Today, I would like to tell you about the autonomous valet parking solution through the camera. First, I will briefly explain the developer involved in the solution. Firstly, Nextchip, a semiconductor designing company, starts its business with image signal processing technology and have the know-how to tune images in various scenarios for over 20 years. Various ISP products have been mass-produced in the automotive before market, which requires high reliability. Since then, the company has expanded the scope of product lines and launched ADAS SoC, which is equipped with functions necessary for ADAS applications. VADAS, a software developer, provides ultimate safe parking technology that letting drivers notice the things around the vehicle and avoid dangers.